DTS Software. We are the original storage management experts. At no time in the history of the mainframe has the transfer of knowledge been more critical. As the current generation ages out, and with a well-documented hiring gap, a wealth of know-how gained from decades of hands-on experience could be lost. And with it, the computing reliability we've enjoyed for the past 60 years. Some of it the books can't or no longer teach. Seasoned pros passing the torch to a new generation of mainframers is critical to the success of our industry as a whole. DTS Software, known worldwide as a pioneer in IBM ZOS storage management, contributes to the collective mainframe knowledge base each month with our complimentary educational webinar series. Each webinar delivers hands-on, how-to information and best practices from one of the most knowledgeable educators in the industry, DTS Software Chief Technical Officer Steve Pryor. Pryor's webinars are so well received that we often have veteran mainframers tune in for a refresher on elements of ZOS utilities they rarely use or need some helpful hints on. He's also a regular educating at all of the SHARE conferences. At DTS Software, we believe in the future of the mainframe and the people who use it. And when it comes to storage management, we were the pioneers, and we still build it the best. DTS Software, thought leaders, industry leaders, the original storage management experts.